Hey, welcome back to our channel. In this video I want to show you how to listen to Spaces on X. So X has dedicated page where you can see different spaces ongoing. So let's tap profile picture in the top left, and now in the side menu you want to go to Spaces section, and this is this page that I was talking about. So here you can see different spaces, and in order to join one and listen to it, you want to simply tap on it and press button start listening at the bottom side of the screen. And additionally you can enable that function to listen anonymously. If you want that, of course you can enable it. But additionally, if someone you follow starts spaces, you will see those spaces on your home timeline. So it will look something like this. This is actually a screenshot, but that's how it should look like. You will see a large purple banner on your home timeline, and again, if you want to join it, you want to press see details button, and then you'll get an option to join spaces. So that's basically how you can listen to Spaces on X. I really hope that you find this video helpful, and if so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.